How to log in Costco Citi Card online. To access your Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi online account, follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser and inside web browser, in the search address bar, search for the official Citi website and navigate to it. And once inside the home page, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. And once you click on the sign in, input your user ID and password in the respective fields and click the sign in button to access your account. If you have not registered for online access, simply tap on the register or activate option available there and enter your credit card number. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and set up your user ID and password. And after providing the required information, complete the registration process to gain online access to your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.